The Crystal Cabin Award is very important for us because it's a big recognition on the market and it shows us where innovation is driving for. We like to have the contact with the experts in the industry to influence our direction of our innovation.
So today we are showcasing our newest Premium Economy class seat, the frame. One of the special features is the frame. We are introducing wood as a material to our newest Premium Economy seat. And secondly, I would like to highlight our mesh-based structures over here. We are reducing plastics over the whole seat and we are introducing this textile-based material as a structural element to have a really warm feeling of the seat and to increase the passenger comfort.